installation ceremony.
I look forward to our installation ceremony each year because it is a time to acknowledge, celebrate, and honor student leadership and voice, something very important to us here at Branksome Hall Asia. Indeed, it is our mission to empower young women to be the leaders of tomorrow.
It is my privilege to introduce this year's cohort of students who have taken on key leadership positions in the middle and senior school as representatives for student leadership throughout Branksome Hall Asia.
My very greatest pleasure to introduce our head girl, Clara Yang.
Good afternoon, my fellow Branksome students, teachers, faculties, and parents. It is my absolute honor to stand here as the 2020 head girl representing Branksome Hall Asia and its student body. Look at the world straight in the eye. Because even I know that you are infinitely worthy and unconditionally lovable students. Be remarkable. Thank you.